Welcome back to my YouTube channel, King Crisis TV. So in my previous video I discussed a few platforms which you guys can use to create YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube videos. In this video I will be going through Canva for the first time. Yes, it's my first time using Canva because I don't normally use Canva to create my video thumbnails, but I decided to make a video showing you guys my experience firsthand with using Canva. So, without any further ado, let us get into the meat of the matter, King Crisis style. So, I have my laptop all boot up right here and ready to record. So what I will be doing is, I will be doing a screen recording on my laptop so you guys can see what I'm doing on the Canva platform. Firstly, I'm going to edit one of the templates available to create my own YouTube thumbnails, and then I will proceed to use a blank template to create a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. So let me get the screen recording running on my laptop. Alright, let's go. So, type in YouTube thumbnails right here. And I'm just gonna casually scroll and browse until I see something that I like. Now the thing with Canva is it is pretty simple. It's not complicated at all. So it's a bunch of templates available for you to customize to your liking. So you can simply go on Canva, see a template that you like, switch out maybe a few photos if you want and add some. And the text, you can change the text to suit your title, and also if you want to add your channel name or other information. Please bear in mind that you should not overcrowd your thumbnails. A thumbnail should be very simple and subtle, nothing too crowded, alright? So let me casually scroll till I see something that I like. Oh, this orange one looks sexy. Alright, so let me try to customize this orange layout right here. I don't think I will be changing this photo. I actually like it. Let I go ahead and change the text over here. So I'm gonna put on this. The orange gym. Now, this is just a mythical title, guys. Don't take my word for it, or don't take me literal. The Fruity Party Society. I'm gonna put the Jimmy Society. Jimmy. I don't think that word exists. But who cares? Alright. And then down here. What should I put down here? An orange a day. Keeps the flu away. Yes. And that's pretty much it. There you go. You have a YouTube thumbnail. It's that easy, guys. So there's too many resources out there for your thumbnails not to look too appealing. So you guys can go right ahead and utilize the Canva platform. I mean, it's free, and start creating some amazing thumbnails. Alright, guys? Let us browse through and see if we can see any other cool templates here on the Canva platform. Look at this one. This one is pretty amazing as well. I think they should, I don't really like the blue right here. I think they should use like a early color. Yeah, like that. Let me change this one as well. And this looks much better. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below if you like this rather than the blue one before. Let's keep scrolling. And you guys get the picture, right? Let me try to add this huge sale text right over here and delete the orange one right here. Drag this over here, scale it down. I'm gonna change the color of this. I'm not really a fan of the yellow right now. Alright, so easy to change color in this. Kind of feel like Photoshop. And this is a amazing thumbnail. Alright, let's see what else I can do in this. Background. Solid backgrounds. Wow. So it removed the photo completely, but I actually like that photo, so let me undo. And you guys know the shortcut for undo. The shortcut is Ctrl-Z. And you have the beautiful thumbnail we had before. Now let's proceed to create a thumbnail from a blank template. I mean, if it's a template, it wouldn't be blank anyways. Let's just say something blank. Let's create a thumbnail from a blank canvas. Yeah, let's create a blank YouTube thumbnail. I don't think it's a template if it's blank. Alright, so the first thing we will need is a image. Let's go to photos. Look for something interesting. Oh, I like this one. Let me stretch this to the size of this canvas right here. Perfect. Bring it up a little. Right there. And I'm gonna add some text. I like this one right here. Oh, it's drag and drop. Oh, two of them. I only need one. And I'm gonna put over there by King Crisis. Yeah, Canva is pretty neat, I gotta say. Let's change the color. Oh, that's not how you change the color. I'm gonna change the color of this thing right here. This white, and the words white. This is kind of confusing. White. Alright, it changed. White. That changed as well. White. There you go. A thumbnail from scratch. So remember guys, if you want to make your own thumbnails for your YouTube videos using Canva, you can just visit canva.com and you can do the simple procedure I did. I mean, this was my first time using Canva and it wasn't hard. It was a piece of cake actually. And they have tons of templates if you feel lost and don't really have any inspiration of what you want your design to look like. So I am King Crisis and I do hope you guys found this video interesting. Please stick around to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that like button if you found this informative, and I will be going through some more tutorials along the week. Well, not really tutorials, but my experience of using some of these software to create YouTube thumbnails. King Crisis signing out.